Good Saturday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar and what's going on outside. So as you can see, we've got precipitation throughout most of the area. There's some freezing rain and snow off to our north and northeast. Also, some freezing rain and snow going through the mountains as well. Here in the county, it's showing up as all rain on the radar, but the temperatures right now out there are at freezing. So most likely what's happening is we are having freezing rain out there as well. I think that's why the radar looks all cluttered, especially through this area. As we go through the morning hours, those freezing rain chances will start to dissipate. You can see 32 degrees out there right now in Salisbury, so certainly right at freezing around the area. So if you're out and about driving this morning, I would just assume that it's freezing rain out there. As far as ice accumulation goes, mainly icing along the elevated surfaces. So like if you go out on your porch, you can put your hand on the rails and there's icing there. Maybe if your car is parked out in your driveway, there's a glaze of icing on your car. And then if you're out driving, the bridges and overpasses, certainly some areas you're going to want to slow down for, as there could be a thin glaze of ice on the bridges and overpasses as well. So certainly be careful if you're out driving this morning. We'll continue to keep you updated on when everything starts to become mainly a cold rain, and it's going to essentially be that for most of the day today. We just have to get through the first couple hours this morning, and then we'll get above freezing, and it'll just be a very cold, nasty, dreary, rainy Saturday on tap for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at the model data now and see what we can expect as we go through the day today. So as you can see, the model's indicating freezing rain pretty much for all the area here around 8 o'clock in the morning. There's Meisenheimer, Kannapolis, Enochville, China Grove, Rockwell, Granite Quarry, Salisbury, Spencer, Woodleaf, Cleveland, and Coolamy, just for some indication of where you are on the map. If you're in Davidson County watching this, Lexington, Southmont right here, there's Denton there, High Rock right here along the border. Over in Iredell County, here's Mooresville, Troutman, and Statesville, just for some indication so you can see what might be occurring near where you live. And now let's go ahead and take it hour by hour. So this, again, is 8 o'clock this morning. By 9 a.m., still seeing potentially freezing rain going on for most of the area. By 10 a.m., starting to see some warm air make its way in from the south. So areas like Kannapolis and Enochville, maybe even China Grove, could be seeing mainly a cold rain by that point. 11 a.m., there you see everybody pretty much into the cold rain at this point. As we head to midday, still just a very cold rain occurring around the county and around the area. 1 p.m., still cold rain. 2, 3, starting to see some isolation coming in now as we head to 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Everything looks pretty dry. 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, you just got to get through the morning hours, and then things really start to break up and become isolated. I do think we're going to continue to see a kind of a misty drizzle that's going to hang around, and that's mainly because of the cold air damming up against the mountains again, and that's what's going to keep us cloudy and dreary and nasty looking today. We'll go ahead and give you an update on the rainfall accumulation potential when we come back from the break, as well as the weather impacts and the 5-day forecast. Let's take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
Weather impacts for today, sponsored by Patterson Farms Incorporated. The 2021 all-season passes are on sale now. Use promo code FARMLOVE through February 28th to save $20 off your 2021 all-season pass. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com/all-season pass, and you can get all the details there and purchase your passes as well. It's a great way to pay once and visit often. You got unlimited visits throughout the 2021 season by purchasing these 2021 all-season passes. Today, we'll see a mix of rain and freezing rain this morning, becoming all rain around 10 a.m. Winds will be out of the northeast at around 10 miles an hour, and rain will continue into the evening hours. I think it's going to mainly become a misty drizzle. And we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on that. Most of the heavier rain, I believe, will move through during the morning and early afternoon. And then when we get to the late afternoon and evening hours, it's just going to become, like I said, a misty, nasty drizzle. Maybe even foggy conditions will start to persist. We'll certainly keep an eye on it. As far as rainfall accumulations go, we could see for the most part around 3/4 of an inch for everybody. There you see pretty much everybody in agreement with the exception of Denton over in Davidson County, looking around 6/10 of an inch. But again, these are just potential accumulation totals. You could see more in isolated areas if you get a heavy band of rainfall that comes through, or less, depending on what occurs as we go through the day in your area. But again, good measuring point, probably going to be around 3/4 of an inch at this point. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, we will see, again, I've got wintering mix here. Basically, it's going to be freezing rain and rain mix, 100% chance of rain and freezing rain this morning. And then as we go into the afternoon hours, again, it becomes a cold rain and maybe even just a drizzle and mist as we head through the afternoon and evening. High of 36, low of only 35, as we will not move much once the thermometer jumps up there. But again, that 35 will be for tonight. Our low overall for today, as you can tell, likely is going to be around 32 degrees. That's where we're at the moment. On Sunday, we'll see cloudy conditions in the morning, high of 39 degrees. Rain moves back in Sunday evening, 70% chance of rain with a low of 37. Monday, we'll see cloudy conditions in the morning, high of 46 degrees and 80% chance of rain in the afternoon and evening hours with a low of 42. And then look at that. Lo and behold, the sun will come out. It'll be partly sunny, but at least there'll be some sunshine there on Tuesday, high of 58 degrees. Increasing cloudiness as we head to the evening hours with mostly cloudy skies and a low of 34. And then on Wednesday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 50 degrees, increasing cloudiness as we head into the evening hours with a low of 37 and mostly cloudy skies. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That is available on Hotwire, channel 394, Spectrum, channel 16, and we'll certainly keep you updated there as well. We'll continue to provide updates throughout the day on what you can expect from the weather. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy your Saturday, everybody.